Welcome back to the channel Stocks Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market on Wednesday. At the close in NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.42%, while the S&P 500 index declined 0.97%, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 2.22%. At the close in Frankfurt, the DAX fell 1.89%, while the MDAX index fell 2.96%, and the Tech DAX declined 1.93%. At the close in Paris, the CAC 40 fell 2.21%, while the SBF 120 index lost 2.17%. At the close in Tel Aviv, the TA 35 declined 1.50%. At the close in Copenhagen, the OMX Copenhagen 20 declined 1.23%. At the close in Saudi Arabia, the Tadalol share added 0.37% to hit another 5-year high. At the close in NSE, the Nifty 50 lost 0.83%, while the BSE Sensex 30 index lost 0.94%. Beyond Meat Incorporated shares shut Wednesday's meeting down 8% after an overview from Piper Sandler showed teenagers are losing interest in plant-based meat. Nissan Motor Co. on Wednesday said it will contribute more than $276 million in its plant in Resende in the Brazilian province of Rio de Janeiro and in sending off new items between this year and 2025. Dave & Buster's Entertainment shares tumbled 10% after it reported the securing of main event from Ardent Leisure Group and Redbird Capital Partners on Wednesday. Gogo stock flooded 14% Wednesday, a day after the organization was added to the S&P SmallCap 600 index. Russia's lower house of parliament has passed in a third and last reading on Wednesday a bill on delisting of organizations that are enlisted in Russia and have depository receipts exchanged on unfamiliar bourses. European planemaker Airbus conveyed somewhere in the range of 140 and 142 airplanes in the primary quarter, up practically 13% from a similar period last year, industry sources said on Wednesday. Russian biggest and state-run loan specialist Sberbank and the nation's #1 private loan specialist Alfa Bank said on Wednesday new sanctions forced by the United States wouldn't fundamentally affect the bank's activities. The NHTSA reported Tuesday that they had opened an examination concerning LG Energy Solution after electric vehicles using the organization's batteries showed inside disappointments. Toyota Motor Unit Woven Planet has joined Tesla Incorporated in attempting to propel self-driving innovation without expensive sensors such as lidars. Germany's greatest airport operator Fraport said on Wednesday it needed to drop trips as it was battling to enlist an adequate number of individuals after monstrous work cuts because of the COVID-19 emergency, particularly in the field of ground dealing. HSBC Holdings has sent off an asset to capture investment opportunities in the Metaverse for its rich clients in Hong Kong and Singapore as monetary administrations organizations tap into Silicon Valley's new computer-generated experience. Tilray Brands Incorporated shares are acquiring 11% in pre-open exchanging Wednesday in the wake of posting a benefit second from last quarter on income rose 23%, in spite of the fact that numbers missed the agreement. The organization additionally reported a promising arrangement with Amazon's Whole Foods. Array Technologies stock flooded 14% Wednesday after the sun-powered tracker innovation supplier gave a perky standpoint following a strong final quarter. U.S. chipmaker Intel Corp said on Tuesday it has suspended business tasks in Russia, joining a large number of organizations to leave the nation following its attack on Ukraine. Fund managers have dramatically expanded their openness to Apple in February, as per Bank of America investigator Wamsi Mohan. The possession took off by 701 bits per second to 77.7%, which is another record high. IKEA Group, the owner of most IKEA stores around the world, has purchased 9 solar photovoltaic park projects in Germany and Spain for a total of €340 million to create more sustainable power than it consumes. Indian digital payments firm Pay said on Wednesday it is intending to be functionally productive by September next year, trying to mollify questions about its plan of action that has clouded the stock. The most famous analysts predict a new rally of 2 stocks. Would you like to know the proper answer to this question? Click the previous video on our YouTube channel.